This is a premium brandy. Such and other luxury beverages like fine wine or expensive whiskey are subject to strict quality control. In this video we are going to use FTIR microscopy to check the brandy for microplastics and other particulate matter. For this, a measured fraction was filtered through a gold-coated PET filter. To analyze the filter, it will be placed on Bruker's dedicated magnetic filter holder accessory. The accessory works with any standard 25mm filter and is available for transmission and reflectance measurements. After placing the filter, the magnetic cover will tightly grip the filter on its edges, providing an even surface. Now all that's left to do is put the measurement plate into the LUMOS II and start the automated particle analysis. By using FTIR imaging, we can cover the whole filter and will judge the particle load by chemical rather than unreliable visual contrast. When the measurement has finished, we use the AI-based MPID tool to provide us with a comprehensive interpretation of the acquired data. Some of the particles are identified as cellulose and could stem from aging in the barrel. However, a lot of plastic particles are found as well, like PE, PET, and PVC. MPID provides a lot of information as report-ready lists or charts. The LUMOS II is the optimal tool for the analysis of microplastics. Thank you for watching.